5:36, we are talking about Tropical Storm Erin.
Let's check in right now with First Warning meteorologist Eric Burris. Eric, you just got that 5 o'clock advisory. What's the latest with Erin? We know it's going to become a hurricane later today.
Yeah, the forecast cone still not only shows it becoming a hurricane, but a major hurricane up to Category 4 intensity. We think late Sunday, early Monday, north of the Dominican Republic, Haiti, before making that hard right turn and lifting due north, staying well off of our east coast. But that said, when we look at the threat for tropical storm force winds, I do want to mention that areas in the Caribbean, the Virgin Islands back over to Puerto Rico, a lot of us have friends and family back that direction. They've got a 5 to 10% chance of some tropical storm wind gusts, but you can see the core of that storm's energy will stay north of the Caribbean islands. Now, using our futurecast, I want to give you an idea of when that squally weather really picks up. Saturday into Sunday, that's when the storm itself passes well north of Puerto Rico, and then as it continues, it starts that right-hand turn, developing stronger and stronger. You could see the Turks, Caicos, Bahamas, and by Sunday night, well outside of that. So for us, this is going to be the big story, the wave heights as the storm lifts by and stays away from the United States East Coast. Back here at home, we're just watching the big heat for today. So comfy clothes, but have the umbrellas ready to go. All right, we'll talk more about that local forecast, including the weekend, in just a couple of minutes. Now